Hello students, today we are going to look at how to use the library's online catalog for locating the books. By going through the tutorial, we can conduct simple searches and advanced searches and locate the desired book in the library holdings. There are two exclusive computers provided in the library for accessing the library software. These are termed as the OPACs. Now we'll go through each individual step and try to learn how to use the OPAC. To go to the OPAC, we have to first click or double click on the Internet Explorer icon, and this is the home page which would be displayed. I've highlighted the advanced and browse section. There are different ways to search a book, either by the author, the title, the keyword, the subject class number and the subject. But the two important ways are either by the author title or by the subject. When you know the author or the title of the book, browse is the section where you have to go, and when you do not know the author title, you have to go to the advanced search section. Now this is a screenshot of the browse menu. When I click on the browse section in the library software, this is a drop down list which will be displayed, and this is the screenshot of the book Wings of Fire, how it would look like in the software. After clicking on Wings of Fire, this is the individual entry of the book. As you can see, I have highlighted the author, APJ Abdul Kalam, the call number, the title, and now we will just go online and see how we can use the software so you can understand it in a better manner. The Slim software is the one which we are using in the library for managing the library's holdings. This is the main menu, that is when you click on the Internet Explorer on the library OPAC, this page would be displayed, and there are several sections as I am going through: advanced search, browse, new arrivals and so on. So today we would go to the browse section and see as to how I can locate books by the author or by the title. For this, I will have to click on the browse section. It will take a little while before the next page is displayed because it goes through all the records that are there in the library, and this is the progress bar, after which the next screen is displayed. As you can see, this is the next screen, and there are several titles which are being displayed, such as AIDS, abnormal psychology, and the number of books that are there on each of the title. So when I click on this drop down list, there are various access points such as the author, title, subject class number, subject name and so on. So today let us have a look first as to how to search the books when I know the author of the book. So I select author. Again, I have to be patient because there is this progress going on till the next page is displayed. So I wait till the next page is displayed. The green bar, as you can see, is progressing and the next page is displayed. This is the author's search entry page, and here in the search box I will have to fill in the name of the author of whose book I am searching. So let me think. I would like to see a book by the author, maybe Sudha Murthy, but there is a specific manner in which the name has to be entered. So that is called as the syntax, which means a manner in which the name should be entered. So the surname first, followed by comma, then a space, and then the first name or the initial. So as you can see, I am writing it as Murthy, comma, space, Sudha. Having entered this, I will go to the search tab. I have to be careful about the spellings while entering the name, because if I do not enter the spelling in the proper manner, the book will not be displayed. Now in the next page, all the books and all the Murthis are being displayed, and the number of books of each author. But which is the book that I am looking for? It is by Sudha Murthy. So the term is highlighted in yellow over here, and there is a corresponding number 27, which means that there are 27 books by the author Sudha Murthy in the library. So which are these 27 books? Again, to find out, I will have to click on Sudha Murthy and I will come to know which are these 27 books. So I have clicked and I am waiting patiently for the next page to appear. So now all those 27 books are being displayed in front of me in 2 pages. So in the first page, as you can see, there are various books by the title Ayushaचे धडे गिरवताना, आजीच्या पोतडीतील गोष्टी, अस्तित्व. Everywhere you can see the first author is Sudha Murthy, followed by the publication details and the library numbers. So these are the various books. The title, the author's name and the book details are displayed in case of each and every book. I'll just go down the list and see as to which is the book which I would like to refer to. It's a big list, and on the extreme left hand side I can see the numbers. How many books had we seen by Sudha Murthy? There are total 27 books, and you can see the numbers are being displayed over here. The serial numbers are being displayed on the left hand side. All the books in various languages are being displayed over here. So I have come to the end of the first page. 20 books have been displayed over here. I go to the next page now by clicking on 2 or the next icon, and the next 7 books are being displayed. See, the last number is 27. So now I have to decide as to which is the book which I would like to refer to, and I have made my choice. I would like to refer to Thailibhar Goshti by Sudha Murthy. So what I would have to do is, I will click on the title. For that book, all the details are being displayed which I mentioned. The author, the title, the publication details, the standard number, the keywords, short stories, Marathi means which it's a collection of short stories in Marathi, followed by the library numbers, which is the accession number and the call number. So this is M823.1 MURSOH E, which means that it's a Marathi book written by Sudha Murthy and translated into Marathi by Leena Sohoni. When I note down these 2 numbers, the accession number and the call number, and give it to the counter staff in the library, they will retrieve the book and give it to me so that I can borrow the book on my library card. This is the second book wherein there is no prefix, which means this is an English book. Please remember that if there is an M prefix before the call number, it means it's a Marathi book, H means it's a Hindi book, M means it's a Marathi book, and G means it's a Gujarati book. So the call number itself gives indications about the language of the book without even being required to go through the entire book. Now, let us go through some other option in the browse menu. So I click on browse. Now I would like to search by the title. So from the drop down list I select title. I wait for the next page to appear. Now, as in earlier case, there is also a search box in this page wherein I give the title of the book which I am looking at. So let me think, which is the book which I would like to refer to? Maybe A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth. So I start entering the details of the book in the search box or the entry box that is given to me. Again, I have to be careful about the spelling of the book, because if I write a wrong spelling, the book will not be retrieved. So I type A Suitable Boy, the title of the book, and I say search. I recheck my spellings and I say search now. I wait for the process to be completed. Now there's a list of various titles that is displayed, starting with a summary and all those things, but my book is not there in this list, which means that I have typed it wrongly. So I modify my search, whether it is The Suitable Boy, I'm not too sure about it. So I say search. Again, in this list, again too, my book is not being displayed, which means, is it only Suitable Boy? Let me search. Is it there now at least? No, which means this book is not present in the library. It's not available in our library. So let me try something else now. Which is the book which I would like to refer to? Let me think. Yeah, I'll go for the book Song of the Day. I'd heard that this book is a good book, so let me check whether it's there in the library. I type the title and I say search. Yeah, it's there. As I can see, it's highlighted in yellow for me for my easy reference. There is one item of this book or one title only. So these are the details of the book. It's by Naveen Kare. Publication details of the book. It's by Rafter Publications, Mumbai. And the keywords are Gani, Lalit Lekhan, which means it's a book about songs. And these are the two important numbers, the accession number of the book and the call number. And it is again M781, which means that although the title looks like an English book, it is a Marathi book. So now, let me note the details and give it to the person at the counter. I go back to the home page and I conclude my search. So, I think I have practiced well as to search how to search the books, and I